Hello friends and welcome back to the another amazing and a live stream. So guys, today we are exploring a explosive topic and we are talking about a claim that refuses to go away. A claim that keeps resurfacing no matter how many times it's denied. So, we are talking about Nancy Pelosi. She says she does not engage in insider trading and that she has no concerns about her past investments. On the surface, that sounds definitive, confident, case closed. But the numbers tell a story that many Americans believe deserves a closer look on that. Nancy Pelosi has served in Congress for nearly 4 decades. Over those 38 years, her official congressional salary average around $142,000 a year. That's a solid income by most standards, but here is where the questions begin. Her estimated net worth today is reported at roughly $282 million. That kind of wealth doesn't just raise the eyebrows, it raises the serious questions about the transparency, access, and accountability. So, guys, now to be clear, no court who has ruled that Nancy Pelosi committed insider trading. No formal conviction exists, but in the public trust, perception matters almost as much as proof. When the lawmakers have access to confidential briefings, early policy drafts, regulatory decisions, and the market moving information, the public has every right to ask whether those advantages translate into the personal financial gain. Pelosi has says she doesn't personally trade stocks and that her husband manages the investments independently. But critics argue that distinction doesn't fully resolve the concern. In a household where one spouse is among the most powerful lawmakers in the country, separating political influence from the financial outcomes isn't always convincing to the average American struggling with the rising cost and the stagnant wages. So, guys, this isn't just about the one person, it's about the system that allows the members of Congress to actively trade stocks while shaping the laws that directly impact entire industries. That's why calls for a ban on the congressional stock trading keep growing louder from both the sides of the political aisle. The idea isn't the punishment, it's a prevention of insider trading. If the public servants are truly serving the public, there should be no gray area about whether policy decisions could enrich them personally. So, how did the Pelosi's wealth grow so dramatically, guys? Supporters say smart investing, long term strategies, and legal market participation explain it all. But critics say the consistency and timing of certain trades look too convenient to ignore. The truth may sit somewhere in between, but without the stronger oversight, the public is left guessing and trust continues to erode. So, guys, this is where the investigation matters, not a partition witch hunt, not selective outrage, but the transparent independent review. If nothing improper occurred, full disclosure would only strengthen the credibility. And if loopholes exist, they should be closed immediately, not defended. At a time where Americans are being told to tighten their belts, pay more, and expect less, watching the political elites accumulate massive wealth fuels anger and criticism. Whether you support Pelosi or oppose her, the underlying issue remains the same. Should lawmakers should be allowed to profit from the markets they influence? That's the real question here, guys. Not personality, not party, but the major principle. Accountability builds the trust, transparency restores faith, and without both, skepticism will only grow louder. So, guys, if you think Congress should be held to the same standards as everyday Americans, drop your thoughts in the chat. Share this discussion with your friends and stay tuned. This conversion is far from ever. So, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel for such amazing daily headlines. Thank you.